So we're here with Chef Quiba.
Hi.
And Chef Leah.
Hi.
So yeah, let's get into the video. First you're going to need a baguette or a small, going to get a spoon.
Yes.
So here, we've already cut ours, but then what you have to do on your sandwiches, you don't cut in half, just take a very little top of it, so it's kind of like a lid of it. Then with the spoon, you're going to scoop out the insides.
Yeah, but don't go too deep.
Yeah.
And first, wash your hands.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll be back when we have the sandwiches scooped up. Okay, we finished the bread, and your bread should look like this,
like
a hollow in it. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to keep the top lid for it, because we're going to use that for the garlic bread. Now, what you're going to get 2 eggs and a pot. Okay, so we've done the eggs and they're all cracked in. What you're going to do, you're also going to be getting some vegetables for like health. You don't have to put it in, but what we do, we get spinach with it. And you're also going to get a spoon to mix it up together. What you're also going to get is maybe like scissors or something sharp to cut the spinach or whatever to make them small, because we can't have big chunks. Or you could like just rip them apart.
Spinach.
Okay, after mixing it, you're going to get the bread. Here. You're going to pour the mixture into both of them, or how many you guys have.
We're just mixing it. So it did, because the egg yolk was in, it would not come out, so it just was there.
Now, that's done. Just gonna put it in here. Here. Okay, so you're going to turn your oven to 160 and be careful, so you should have adult supervision. Oh, and if you want, you can put in your cheese and things in it.
Don't put it in this because I don't want it. Some ham?
So put it on this side. Put it on this side.
Put it on this side.
You've got cheese.
Can I put just a little bit of ham on mine? I don't like cheese or ham, so I'm going to just have the egg.
I want more cheese. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to put our breads in the oven, and it will take around 15 to 10 minutes to cook. Yeah. So
maybe
we will be back to you when our bread is cooked.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to show you how to make garlic bread. What you're going to get, you want to get some garlic sauce or like a paste.
Do we need
garlic paste?
Do we need a knife?
You need to get butter. What you're going to do, you're going to put the butter into the Okay, so now when your butter and garlic paste are ready, you're going to get a knife and you're going to
not a sharp one.
You're going to spread it. If you are little, get your parents to help you spread it out if you want.
Set me.
Oh, because I'm here.
Yeah.
And you're able to make as much as you want.
Yeah. Hey. We only have 4 because we cut it. But you can make as many as you want.
And you can make as much. You can get different types of breads. Yeah. Doesn't matter which one you get.
You can get like your circle buns one.
Yeah, like
that'd be good.
So any type of bread you can use it, but you have to be able to like
cut it up. I don't think we can do all of them.
So we can get.
So here, can you hold it? You have to put it on the knife. Oh, put it on more. Okay, more. We use this one.
We're going to get the last bread.
Yeah, there's some milk. I'm gonna put the same thing. Put the butter on to all the breads.
Look.
You put it on her finger. Put this one in the sink.
Okay, now.
Now put this in. So this is finished. Let me put butter on it.
Okay, so we've done making the bread. What you're gonna do, you might want to get a pinch of salt.
We put on the only a pinch.
And just put it on it. You can put it. You can put a lot of salt if you want.
Yeah. If you want salty.
If you want salty
bread. Sprinkle it on the bread. Okay, so now we need to put this in the oven.
Yeah. You're going to get the garlic bread and you're going to put them in
the oven.
So yeah, we'll meet you when the sandwiches and the garlic breads are done. Yeah. Okay, so we took them out of the oven, and it should look like this, and the garlic should look like this. For us, it doesn't really show on the camera, but it has garlic on it. So what you should have are these. We have one with spinach and egg. We have one with just egg, and we have one with egg, ham, and cheese.
Yeah.
So we have 4 different ones.
And we have the garlic.
And we have
the garlic.
3 garlics.
3 garlics.
I have no clue where the other one is. Anyway, we will show you guys some pictures after while we're eating them.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye your hugs.